Hello, people. Yeah, come on, you ready? Everything is ready. Sorry for taking it with. Thank you for waiting for the people who were waiting. Please set my curtain. Yes, sir, we are all set. Mhm. Ready for as well. Yes, sir. Remember, Yeah. So yeah, let's start our day. Today we had a very beautiful reading Nasdaq. You guys were there. Can you guys hear me? In YouTube. Let me just little bit. All right, just rest this thing behind of me. I think now we are good. Yeah. Hmm. Alright, yeah, all good. So S&P, let's go through the indices first, daily, and we are reacting off of the favorable gap. As I mentioned yesterday in my live stream, we are gonna get some sort of small candle or a consolidation or a pullback because we already had a three two good expansion day and third candle. Look at this third candle, as expected, very small. Even in Nasdaq, as expected, very small. So yeah, that was our analysis. We had a good expansion day, retracement, and tap back instead of that fair value gap, and we are bouncing off of it. So basically, the previous high is taken in both the assets. You see, USD high is taken in both the assets, and Nasdaq still showing some stronger signs. Any chances for shorts today? I'm looking for shorts on yesterday. Um, can't say anything right now, bro. I haven't seen charts since the morning, so I have to just check out everything. We just now cleared the equal highs in ES and these high in NQ as well. So yesterday when the market closed, even I was expecting to form some kind of TGF setup. For example, like Friday gives a little bit of pullback Basically, that's what the TTF means. If the whole week expands, then we'll get some kind of rebalancing on Friday. So we are at all-time highs. Uh, I would consider that TTF during the normal days, but not at the all-time highs. So staying like I'm not considering anything here right now. So I have to wait for how the price acts and like what the bracket correlation we are gonna get, and then decide what's the price going to do. So this is our daily. We clear the previous day highs, 4 hour in ES. When I'm looking at 4 hour, only 4 hour, I'm basically telling you guys how I read the price action, so that you guys can just carry and you guys can learn it if you want to. What's up? What's up there? Welcome to the stream. So look at these failure swings here, down here, and if we get this reversal candle, 6 a.m. reversal candle, then I might think of targeting these London lows and Asian lows as well, because this is a Friday. We got a whole expansion week, so we might get some kind of TJF setup today, but not sticking to it. I'm saying it again, not I'm like 100% sticking to it. Right now, whatever I saw on 4 hour, I'm deciding according to that. I'll be trading the 10 a.m., so I have to wait for another 15 minutes to get that 10 a.m. confirmation. So yeah, look at this is the reason why I said I'm not gonna decide anything right now. Look at this. We have this two stage forming in it here, ESP and SMT. Two stage forming in here in 1 hour. So that makes it a little bit tricky to judge it this way. Like, oh, are we gonna push lower? That makes it little bit tricky. Coming to the 15 minutes, we already got a beautiful change in state of delivery in Nasdaq, and still we are about to get the change in state of delivery in ES, but yeah, so we just had a good strength which I assume in ES, so we can maybe push higher in ES as well. So have this beautiful change set of delivery here. So we might right now we might go and reach this high as well. So waiting for some more confirmations till 10 a.m. to carry forward here. Look at this beautiful gap in here inside of this fair value gap and a beautiful position in Q. Then, uh, even though we had this before 10 a.m., but yeah, we missed trades, but uh, that's not my setup there, because I'll be uh, focusing on more on trading 10 a.m. only. So even if I miss today, I'll get better trades tomorrow. So yeah, that's the case. Let's see how we are gonna uh, how the price plays out here. Okay, so I'm not going to decide anything like pre-decide anything. I'm waiting for this 4 hour. If it gives a reversal signature, then I'm going to um, think of shorting ES. But as the situation forming in the both the assets with these two stage crack and correlation, I think we are going to push higher. So yeah, sticking to that right now. But we still have another like 15 minutes, I think. So we have to wait and see what are we gonna get there. And coming to the gold is being just sure. Gold maybe. Yeah. Gold, beautiful, beautiful price delivery in gold. So we have this sentry down here, gold, and changes state of delivery plus this fair value gap from where the price is reacting into. And again, let me just off. So we have this one stage forming in here in 4 hours. So S&P fill and then good expansion. We might think of targeting these highs as I marked it previous day or day previous. So yeah, so we might think of pushing higher again. Look at this low resistance liquidity taking out. It's a beautiful internal to external model forming, universal model forming there. So yeah, expecting some higher prices in gold and silver after 10 a.m. Or 10 a.m. We just analyze the daily candle. Sorry about that. Coming to the 4 hour silver, we do have this tracking correlation in silver. This swing formation, this beautiful swing formation, changing state of delivery. If we get closure in another 10 minutes, we can target this high. Very easy. We can target that highs very easily. So yeah, that's the plan for silver and gold today. Let's see. If the silver reaches this high before 10 a.m., then we might think of some other situations to form there. Coming to the oil, oil doing. Yeah, I might trade my hundreds today, guys. Oil, look at this. Daily, we are coming from the fair value gap. Okay, yes, and we are having this one stage forming in here. You see carefully. This one stage forming in here. We are um, flushing down, and we have these lows, very beautiful lows down here. Target in daily. I think like it will take you know a long time, but we can go down to the 4 hour and see what's going on. So here now the oil is being very choppy after the market open. So we might just shop around instead of this fair value gap. That's what I think. But if we get any sun switch or Kraken correlation, I might think of trading it lower again. That will be my views on oil today. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the but indices are looking so good. Not gonna lie, indices are looking beautiful. We might try something in here in the indices. Got this 1 hour C2 forming and 30 minute. We are instead of C3 already. We would have traded this candle, but again, this is outside of my time period. I took yesterday before 10 a.m. open. You might ask about like why did you take before 10 a.m. open yesterday? Because that's because I entered that trade 6 seconds, just 6 seconds before 10 a.m. open, and I had a very strong key level and pretty much of more room to form the 10 a.m. wick. So that's the reason I would say we are running here, guys. We are running in indices today. We are running. Look at that, crazy. It's need to wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Look at this 3 minute one stage forming in here. If I enter a 3 minute one stage, that'll be good. To for break even and manage the trade because once this high will be taken, we might get a good retracement or chop once the 10 a.m. opens. So I'm not gonna touch it till 10 a.m. open and see what are we gonna get. We have other assets as well. We have a very clean draw in silver and gold, and uh, we even have a clean draw in our oil here as well. So yeah, might think of that as well. Gold looking better than indices in my opinion. Indices weekly range may come to an end at 10 a.m. The Kraken correlation to the TGF. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, even I'm not relying much on indices today because all the week we had a very good expansion there. Very good expansion, not gonna lie. And look at this. Look at this. So not much relying on indices, but if I get any strong confirmation that we can push higher again because we are like all-time highs, indices are very good to long. So I might think of longing, or with a very clear sign, I might think of shorting VS. So yeah, that's the plan. But I'm gonna more stick with the gold here. Once this 4 hour closes, once this 4 hour gives a body close up here, then we might target this high, very clean high at 775 there. Let me update it in Instagram, guys. Copy the link. Let's see here. I did. Yes, sir. Hope it's done. Another 3 minutes to go for 10 a.m. open. Look at the like we are instead of C3 in 1 hour. So we might get some kind of pullback here before 10 a.m. comes higher. Maybe, maybe instead of this favorable gap in 15 minutes. We need to wait a little bit to to the indices. Yeah, need a little bit more confirmation in indices. I can't just long it from here. We get to the gold. We have this small simply down here. Beautiful price delivery in gold. Crazy. But this failure swings, I can't just log along with it. But I will just wait a little bit. Connect to the oil 4 hour favorable gap. Look at this long wicks here. Look at like a lot of times price is being rejected in here. So need to wait maybe. But I still do have confidence that I'm gonna push lower. So yeah, sticking to the bearish on oil. This is the last line of sign where we can get a premium high candle tap. That's what I'm expecting. Oh, we already had a very good No. Yeah. So, yeah. Like in this changing state of load, 30 minutes. That'll be, what we can do is just wait. Hold. I need a some kind of pullback. Take these lows, set the low, and then push for it. That's what I'm planning. Overall, we had a very beautiful week to this week. We had a very beautiful week. So I'm not going to, risk it all on Friday. So I'm going to be safe. If the market didn't play what I thought, then I might, think of not taking any trades today. Capital preservation, capital preservation, drawdown preservation for next week. Even though, we didn't catch any trades today, we have to wait for next week a little bit new because we are not going to get a very clean transaction once the Monday is open. Price has to set a little bit, and then we might get a delivery on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe. Yes, sir. Welcome to the stream, Karna. Yo, open 10 a.m. But 10 a.m. open here right away. So let's go back. The these rows to be taken back and then push higher. Include. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Buying in NQ from 29,000. 29,000. Let it retrace, bro. If you're already in, then that's good for you. Hold it, hold it safe. But I need a more confirmation to, go launch and then not gonna punch any trade without confirmation. Look at these failures swings in silver as well. Got a gold pulling back. Want to take those lows. We get a cap. Not stepping a minute, bro. Oil, 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 oil. Yes, sir. 10 minutes open. Oil. Yes, low. This is empty right now. But let's see if it wants to perform. Two trade, three trade, one goal, win 2 years, 1 billion. Beautiful. Whatever, bro. Like when it's a paper, at least you're, getting something out of it. So don't hesitate to take paper trades. When I used to take a lot of paper trades when I was learning. And even today, if I blow all of my accounts, I'm not going to just, sit my hands flat. I'll come to the market, mark on my charts, take paper trades, and be touch in with the market. You can't stay away from it. Not 1 minute. Maybe. I was expecting a tap this 10 a.m. Yeah, let's see. Let us have a load here and here. Okay, just overload on both the sides. Will come back once that gold reaches that. Will go ready with the same model HP. Yeah, exactly, bro. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Okay, we are about to come there. Come on. Be more happy if, yeah, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted, guys. Look at this. One stage, one stage. So even if we don't get a tap there, we are all good. We have upper hand there. We're all good with that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw that. Silver already tapped the supplement level gap and gold is not yet. So I'm going to wait to, search a confirmation to long there. I think we are going to get a tap in gold as well. Yes, sir. So we got a tap there. Now we need third here. 8 minutes. I think we are gonna range here a little bit in indices. I check YM. Yeah, let me check. I forgot about YM. Okay. YM was being totally decoupled. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. That's what I was saying. It totally decoupled, bro. That's the reason I was just staying away from YM all these days. But yesterday, a lot of people cooked in YM in shorts. Look at this favorable gap holding. Totally decoupled. I can't do anything at this point with YM. I can't do anything, bro. I'm gonna touch YM. I'm going to touch YM for sure. Hold, hold, come on, push. I think we are gonna get tapped here in 4 hours. 4 hours. Change the set of delivery. Then we are going to get push higher. Maybe. The silver living 4 hour without wick. Don't see. Don't think that's a problem. Come on, give us a tap. Give us a tap or else from this cap and then give us a tap. That would be so good. With some kind of track and correlation with NQ here, we can think of that again. NQ is setting up things, I think. Indices are setting up things. If we don't get a reversal signature from here, then I have to just let it go, whatever it's doing right now. Oil, oil is turning up, guys. I think we just tapped. So if we turn from this point, I might think of selling oil, or else I'm going to just stay away. Because this was my point of invalidation. If this, keeps on pushing higher, then and I'm gonna just part. I don't want to just participate in sort of such kind of chop. Look at this chop here. I think it's just repeating the same thing again, so I'm gonna just stay away. Oil, let it do its thing. Let's focus on what's in our favor. We might have to wait a little bit here. Even if we don't get a tap instead of that cap in ES, at least I want to get a tap in any of the assets, like in both the assets. So I'm waiting for that. Even though we clear the draw, I think we might push a little bit more higher. Look at this, we are back again on the 2 day open. Let's see. At least we should get a push from here. We are having this tracking correlation with 1 hour. Let's see if we can get a reversal from there. Let's see the lows. Another minute, guys. Another minute. Waiting, waiting. So we'll form this gap here. 5 minutes. Let's see how the price reacts from there. Yes, sir. Welcome, Robson. Welcome to the stream. Make sure to hit that like once you know into the stream. It will help me a lot. If 3 minute open there. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, forming this PSP. So I want, some kind of two stage to form. I want this to tap and this to not. But even if it didn't, even if it doesn't do that, I'm gonna open to trade long here because because we already have one stage there. So yeah, what account? I think this is one. This is my funded account, bro. Wait a second. Number of days 4435. Oh, oh, now this is the one ready to string. Let that gold, gold. Come on, gold. Need to buy a funded next 25K futures account. Funded next, why not with going with Lucy or like I think my funded futures have a like very good plan. Just check it once. I'm thinking of buying some my funded futures for defense programs. So I think you should check that as well. $49, no consistency on funded. Beautiful plan. You guys check it out. Come on, give us a tap in queue. Wait, 5 minutes. So yes. Whole reacting from this 5 minute favorable gap there. We had this one stage up here, but I'm not gonna trust that. Look at this total flip on oil. I think we are gonna chop in oil. Not interested. Which is not allowed. Which country you are, bro? Which country you live in? Ethiopia. Okay, then 500 futures. Yeah, did you check 500 futures? Even they have a $49 plan, 25K. Check it once. Opening that tab. Come on now. Know what's wrong with gold? We totally inverse this 3 minute. No, not yet, but we are about to. Only Apex. Oh, that's a problem. Only Apex. And go with Apex, bro. Have a $30 plan there. I think 50K, $30. End of the day order. So this gonna help us to pull it back a little bit. Yeah, there is activation fee, but that's like it's better. Like you're paying $30 until you pass that run, so you're going to save a lot of money there. Like, I feel because we waste a lot of money on evals, so that's a better approach to go with. But as you have only like Apex, the only option, that is the reason I'm telling you to go with Apex. Or else I would have suggested you to go with Lucid or my 500 futures. So yeah, you can set up with it. Did we get a tap? Yeah, a tap. We want to take it. Not yet. Reading the current 4 hour candle is like hell in gold, but the index is pumping higher. Look at the disadvantage of Apex. Activation fees. Personally, I felt all these years. But other than that, everything is good to go. We cleared this S&P, so I think we are fine now. Yeah, all done. Way increase campaign like ES or increase campaign. Like traders literally, here at this point too long this shit because we are at way more premium. But ES slowing down right now. And Yankee is slowly again pushing higher. About to get this. gap, and we have this set of delivery. Let's see what we get. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes in gold. We just totally turned everything here from this point. Do you have any key level there? West, not that. Oh, let's turn reversal from there. Do have this Kraken correlation to push it higher, but I need confirmation. I'm gonna short it here. I'm gonna short gold. If we miss it, we miss it. I want to stay safe, guys. Oil, oil. Totally. I don't even want to look at oil, bro. Come on. Very unexpected move there on oil. Otherwise, I suggest straight on climbing, straight on climbing. If if I don't get entry and the indices keep on climbing, then I might just call it today and say that I didn't get any entry today. Not gonna get into a FOMO and chase the price at this point. Literally everyone are expecting a TTF setup to come today. Most of them. A lot of people. Wait, let's wait. We're gold shopping around. Bro. Oh wait, no. Look at that melting down. indices. Now I'm expecting this tracking correlation to form something like this. Just a little bit. Then look higher prices in gold without checking this low. I have to form that in correlation without taking this low. Or else the 1 hour Kraken correlation will be ruined. It will take this low. Think. Yeah. Yeah, let's now low is taken. So we no longer have this Kraken correlation. So it's taken already. What we have in 30 minutes. If we push down here in 30 minutes, but not much confident on this point. I just keep on chopping around. Okay. We can destroy. We have. We can destroy nothing today. Whatever. I don't know, like, why the hell we just turned out bearish at this from here. It's equals to one legacies. Let's see. I'm expecting it to push a little bit lower and clear these equal lows here. But did it clear this low? Not yet. But let's see. Anyhow, we have this PSP down there. It might get a good push higher. We're just slowing both the assets now. Oil, T3, 40 minutes, have this favorable gap. We have, what is this candle right now? C2 on 1 hour, C3 in 30 minutes. Mm. The lows down here. Let's see if we get a tap here, guys. Let's tap and reaction from there. Up here, gold. Now we need a reaction back to go short. And this fairly gap small, fairly gap here. These equal lows. Would have entered here. I have taken it way down here, but again we are about reaching ES. Yes, I'm expecting some kind of tracking correlation there. If NQ reaches that lows without ES, or ES reaches, sorry, ES reaches that low without NQ. I always used to have NQ on my left side, so I'm just really like bit confused today. Okay, you're low. Now it should settle. Maybe I think we one way clear that low in here as well. Yeah, we don't have exactly correlation on there. There is low. If you go down there, about gold. We are turning things in goals, but I'm like a little bit more worried about this 40-minute change in state of delivery up here, like this opening price. See, we got that opening price on the up there. Let me just do one thing, guys. You know, into the figure with I get this long setup anyways. We get that tab though. You get that tab. Yeah, I should try it in NQ or something. Maybe because I missed it in years there. But NQ is I think NQ is looking weaker to me, so I'm not opening with gold. Gold inversion, we have a gold entry there, but that's very see. Or what we tried is war. I don't know, bro. I'm literally confused. I think today is TDIF. Even I was expecting the TDIF setup. Mhm. On. Just give me a second, guys. Why can't I into my trade of it? I have a 3 minute verbal gap here. Check out demonstrating 443. I make like not liking that shit. Wait, I mean, it is looking cool. I remove this guys. I can try. It's long. Thank you. That's Three, three and this. Using it about the bit. Okay, we are on limit. Thank you. Set up. Yeah, we are in on this inversion here. Let's see. We can get that push higher. So I think maybe next 15 minutes will be open in another 3 minutes, I think. The yeah. Yeah, this is a 15-minute open. Yeah, that is the reason it was just a little bit more dot on that. Why did you why don't you long YM? Bro, YM is totally decoupled, so I don't like YM personally. Hey, I'm not super seven. This will be my take you in there. The best part of whatever the expansion I look for catching is either those candles will be the higher time frame C2 or the like intermediate time frame C3. So if this has passed, like if the candle is intermediate time frame C4 or higher time frame C3, then the price might lag a little bit according to me. So I'll be like I'll be bit careful, more careful while trading such conditions. So right now we are in sort of C3 or C2, or yeah, 30 minutes C2 and maybe 15 minutes C3. So I think that's a good part here. I think we can push higher at this point. And yeah, anyhow, we are pushing all-time highs in indices. The only thing is we clear out all the uh, drawn liquidity there. So we, we might just have that problem, get chopped out. But but looking good so far. So yeah. Have my trader with terminal open on the side. I have to somehow stream it on somehow show it on the stream, but I don't know how to do that. I'll do that on Monday. We are gonna improve it day by day though. So yeah, I put it somewhere on. here, here or here. I'll create a new layer for that. Yeah. Yes, sir. For your prime time. How do you know my name, bro? Not WV. It's not W, it's V. Oh, hi, Toby. Hi. How's it going, bro? How's it going? Are you the guy from Discord? You used to be over there. I hate this, bro. Come on. Bro, could you record some backtesting sessions on FX replay or something? Starting with GXT, and that would help me. Definitely. Definitely, bro. Definitely. I'll be more happy to do that on live with you guys in Discord if you guys are like if you guys wanted to. Every weekend we'll have a backtesting session. I'm thinking of like starting my new community. Like I rebranded the old community, so I'm thinking of being active over there. So I have some things to sort out with my other trader with whom I just collabed recently. So once all those things are done, I'll be coming back to my server and trying to build it. We almost wrapped that. So yeah, going break even here, guys. So if any of you guys are inside of this trade, please go break even there. Don't risk. It's Friday, and I hope we made a good trades the rest of the week. So in order to go rush and risk things at this point. So yeah, let's go break even. Yeah, that's my suggestion. And break even. Oh, because we almost tapped that, so I don't want it to create a equal highs and come back from there. NQ does it a lot of times. So yeah, being safe. Wants to push higher here instead of C2. Another 30 seconds for 11 AM open. Maybe it should be fine and press decent desktop. Data looks anyway. Yeah. No, we have another 6 minutes, maybe. We have 5 minutes or whatever. Clear that high, so I'm break even. So whatever happens at this point, when we get our break even, I'm totally fine with that. Let's hold it. This is the only mechanical way to handle or manage the IFG setups according to me, and a lot of traders even do that. So yeah, I mean break even at recent highs is very safest way to trade IFGs, and and the way we are expecting it to form the TDIF today. So I'm just want to be safe there. So yeah, just want to be safe. Take a point there. 225 is our 225, right? Yeah, 225 is our target. for this. Yeah, break even. Let's see. So, not to worry. It's fine. So, anything else, guys? Who what's the score? Let me just do that. Let me just do that. Let me put it on the comments and pin it so that you guys can join. Oh, this is my Discord, the lab, and you guys can join. Anyone, if you guys want to join, please join the server. You're going to see a lot of things there. A lot of things coming because I was waiting for me to get a job and I've got a job and I'll be free all day, like at least during the market opens because my job timings, I just finished my job timing before 2 hours before the market opens, so I have a lot of time remaining after that. So we can do very cool stuff there. We can hang out. We can just talk about a lot of things about trading. If you want, we can do some sessions here and there. Yeah, we'll be having some cool things. So yeah, make sure to join. Type of job, I do software developer. I'm a software developer, bro. So IT stuff you can say. IT job. It's a pretty hectic, but I had to do it. Like have to do it in the beginning. We can't just leave it right. At least at least he'll be reach some extent in trading. I was doing that. What do you mean was? Are you full time right now? Like are you trading full time? I'd be more happy to hear that if you're trading full time. Because I want to trade full time, but um can't do that right now. Hope you guys understand. In Q not leaving gaps and ES struggling to push higher. That's not a good sign. Why did you quit, bro? Why did you quit job? What's wrong? Crazy. Crazy. I said you, I'll be more happy to hear that if you're a full-time trader because every trader has a thing that when are we gonna quit and start full-time trading? But you did that. And everyone here, like everyone who is watching the stream should be happy about that because one or the other day when we are doing the same thing and if one of us did that, we're all happy because we know the you people who just quit a job and start full-time trading with a little bit of backup. So you guys, bring us a confidence to quit the job and do what we want to do. That is the reason we are all happy to see you trading full-time. Come on, Yankee, push. Very slow climbing today, guys. Saw 300. I saw 300 in Trader Wait, but not in Trading View. What the fuck? Trading View is kind of a little bit slow than Trader Wait. Obviously, it's obvious. Alright, just struggling to push higher there. We will, bro. We will definitely do back to some things. I have to just, wrap up some things with my last trader, like the whom a trading friend whom I collab with. So I'll talk to him. I clear out some things, and we'll start. But like more than I would be happy more than teaching things than backtesting because backtesting you guys can do it by yourself, but coming all in and teaching it for free in English, it will help a lot of you guys. So yeah. Yeah, we'll do one thing. We'll have a pool on that, whatever you want, a sessions or a backtesting. So you might think of doing something. Right? The way price is climbing right now is not at all cool, guys. Not at all cool. They can reverse at any point, so it's better to stay. Make all my conditions there. We are good now. When it is also what it should be. Just a little bit points we are away from. Another 50 points, 45 points there. Just another 45 points. CNQ. Look at the ES, guys. Look at the ES. ES just chopping around. If I would have entered ES, I would be gone into a hell lot of frustration there. Now, this looks bad. This 3 minute candle looks bad. Yeah, it should push now. looking good. But I'm holding it, whatever wants to. I just say like I had that thing like waves climbing. That's not at all the thing. So is this 11 a.m. open? Okay, we already opened 11 a.m. It's full doing. What is again? Hopping around. Really stick to what we have for right. See what we are. Another 30 seconds. We need a bullish candle closing here. What's up, guys? Anything else? Did you guys take this trade? Who all took this trade? Let me know in the comments. Bro, what? How many subscribers are we at now? 224. Beautiful, guys. We had a 222 yesterday. Two people subscribed. Thank you so much. Keep supporting this way. We're having a lot of things coming in. You're in gold. Gold shorts, maybe? Oh, sorry. Let me put it down. I better push. We have this 1 minute inversion. Not looking good at all. Ever. We are gonna hold it. Whatever it happens. Break even. It's fine. We're gonna take break even. We took it. Yeah, we took it. You should be at break even at this point because this climb here is not looking good at all. Yeah. If it wants to reverse, it should reverse at this point because we have a tiny favor gap there. This very tiny, but I don't think so. Like if that's gonna hold, if it wants to, then that would be so nice. And the price is overbought, so that's the problem there. That was a problem. That is terrible. Get a break even on this. And gold short. Trading short. It was this because of the gold is dropping. I don't know. What the entry that I have right now. Okay. I'm gonna get stopped out here. I think even or else if we get a if we get that SMT, whatever. What I talk about, whatever happens at this point. Yesterday we had around 10, 11 watching, and today we are at back 4 again. So I don't know what people expect more than this, but yeah, I think it's a reach problem. My string is not reaching to a lot of people because yeah, we started it just now, so it will take a little bit more time to reach out people. And we are here about to get stopped out. Here we go. So here we go. Here we go. One. Yeah. Yes. Sir, we got to start our break even. How much do we lose? We don't really losing anything. $3 profit. That's fine. Yeah. This is a break even trade, but but 3 minutes. I think I'm still long sided to be honest. This beautiful SMT we have here right now. Love to try this long. To have to get this change in profitability. Again, now we have this SMT as well. Yes, I think I should try this long. Instead of the 3 minutes early gap. We have a good gap here. Thank you. Because we had a good push though. Two, there, one, definitely, 28. We have our limits set. The market just stopped this out and then started pushing higher. Hmm. Yeah, look at that. We don't even have time to trade that 3 minute change rate of delivery because till this 3 minute closes, we are going to reach that reach it very easily. Very what the fuck? We got our break even and it like instantly turned out there. Instantly. Things happen, guys. Can't do anything about it. This unicorn, get up here, but I don't wanna do that shit. I don't wanna do that. I might try this 3 minute though. I'm gonna lie. If I can get this 3 minute for the body, uh, 3.5, right? I'll try this 3 minute if I get a chance. Again, it's nothing but uh, reading this unicorn there. Yes, we are tapping into this fair value gap. But if we get a tap into of this fair value gap, that would be so nice. Hmm. 30 seconds there. We have our limit set. I set the day because we have this fair value gap there. So let's see if we can touch that. Let it be here, guys. I don't want to miss it again. Okay. Yeah, instead of 3 minute change, instead of delivery now, and, let's do here. Limit. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's hold up. Max to max, we should be retracing till 161. 161. Right at 161. Here. Alright, we are going to just complete from here. because we cleared all of these low resistance, whatever we climbed. Now we might get a push higher. Let's see. Let's hold it. Wait and watch. 6-1. I think that level. Come on, turn it back now. I think I had to wait, wait a little bit more today because we had to cover 67 points. Yeah. Let's see if we'll take another 5. I know that. So, bro, new candle opening here, new high time from candle opening, new 30-minute candle open basically. So we have a 3-minute CIST there. We should get a support from that and then push higher. So once that high is cleared, this high break even. But can't say anything. What? That is happening here, guys. We're holding it a 30-minute candle opening. That's the thing there. 30 minutes basically setting it slow and moving away. I stop it over here. Would have got a 1 minute beautiful tendency of delivery there, but almost fired it. Hopefully we'll get that next closure. Okay, so guys, we are break even here. Safe again. So make sure you guys be safe again there. And again, if I lose this trade, like not losing basically, if I get out of break even on this trade, I'm gonna call it a day. That's it. I'm not going to give much on Friday, guys. So yeah. Let's see if we get there. 241, 241, 241, 241, 241. Elon, help us to do something. Help us to do something today. I'm holding back there. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. That's what we wanted. Come on. Sir, yes, sir. Shire. 2000 TTFM. I have my mentorship PDFs, which I used to teach on. You want those? I have those, like only those which I used to teach on. We almost reached. We almost reached, maybe. Come on. 30 points, maybe. Come on. Almost reached halfway there. I've always, like, I wanted ES to turn out. ES is turning out, and we are looking to. Yeah, yeah. I'll share it. I just totally created in Figma, so just DM me your mail. I'll give access. I'll give access to you of the stream. Other than that, I have some Garrett stuff. I got those from someone. If you want those, I can share those as well. I have 1 minute fairly gap there, which can hold. I'm expecting that to hold. But I'm gonna just throw my commissions there. Okay. At least we should end it at break even. I don't want to do my commissions or 10 to $20. In IG, bro, wherever you want, bro. Like if you want to DM in IG or Discord, better DM in IG. That's better because I once I uh go off stream, I just stop like being active in Discord. So I'm not yet much active on Discord right now. So just better DM me on IG. I respond to there or else on both because I share you the link. I have to upload it on Drive first and then share you the link, or else share me your mail. I'll share my material, whatever I used to teach on. I usually don't give it uh, this easy like for free because that was my teaching material. People used to pay for it to attend mentorships and all. But you're my boy. You're my man there. Make it for free for you. But you've been since a very long time since like when I started live streaming. So yeah, like most of my mentors who, approach me for mentorships and all, I just share the materials first, not my materials, but the things where I learned from. Basically, it is free all out there, but still people don't understand those, and they ask me to teach them. So yeah, that after that I say yes for mentorships. I try to save the money as much as possible, but if they want it, then I can't do anything because I am taking out my time, so I have to get something out. Because even not I am a full-time trader right now, so I have very limited time for trading. Yeah, waiting here. So yes, pulling here to push higher. Come on now. What's 5 minute doing? Uh, wait, wait, wait. Yeah, well, if you get stopped out at break even, totally fine. I got your message, bro. I respond after the live stream. Never had such a long trip. Not thank you. You should have yeah, getting disrespected there. Look at this candle, negative condition, long wick, again a long wick, again small body for sure. Maybe, maybe. I think we are gonna get stopped out at break even. I think. Only thing which can hold is this, right? Okay. What the fuck? Did we lose $16 there? Come on, bro. $12. Come on, bro. Sleep is shit. Okay, guys. That's it. We tried two trades and time is out now. Like we are about to enter the lunch hours. So I'm not gonna risk much. And that's it. That's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Make sure to join the live stream daily and make sure to join the Discord as well. So see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.